pagkakasabi ay hiniram ko lang din po yung sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo umaayon sa black sand mining along the beach line, along the shoreline. So kung may paglilinaw po ngayon na sinasabi nyo basta nasa kapatagan ng bahagi, eh maganda pong paglilinaw yon. At lalong napakagandang paglilinaw na hanggang ngayon hindi nyo pa rin inaayunan ang black sand mining along the beaches ng ating coastal areas. Tama po ba ako, sir?
Tama po yan.
Salamat.
May suggestion pa ako natin no? So, nangyayari yung inland. Pero ang tanong ko, alam na natin kung ano ang impact ko. Siguro ay itong mga kailangan na dapat ay address ng Indonesia. By law, walang ilalabas kasi yan 200 acres. Ang kailangan ng Indonesia, maging hindi mapapagpatsyay. Magpunta doon at sukatin. Tingnan talaga, is it really within or outside of that 200 acres? Okay? Maging vigilant. Pangalawa, babalik ako sa tanong ko. Alam na natin kaya natin naman yung impact. Maganda na natin naman at ibase natin ang ating pagtutol, kung tayo naman ay tutol, base doon sa mga maaaring masamang consequences nito na hindi naman natin may natatama.
Thank you, Bumorodi. Yes, sir. Just identify yourself and station your...
I am Benji Beniro of the Philippine Information Agency. I came not to ask questions but to add information, especially on the case of Ludong. I would like to inform you that we now have 3 species of Ludong in the province. And the first species was identified then as Cetreus tricatilis, but we have 2 more species identified in a recent study. The case of these resources, especially on Ludong, that it might disturb their habitat, we would like to inform you that Ludong comes from the lower Cagayan River and it comes from the suspected habitat is the Adalam River in Jones, Isabela. So to say that there is Ludong in Cagayan, of course it's true, but then this is only during their spawning run from September to early February. So that should be an information to all of us that Ludong swims its way up to the mouth of the Cagayan River and then spawn there and return to where they came from. And they cannot lay their eggs unless they lay their eggs while the current or while the wave is higher. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for that sharing. Any other question from the media?
Please approach the microphone.
Yung mga gusto pong magtanong, pwede na po lumapit dun sa microphone para sunod-sunod na po kayo magtanong.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I'm Benji Tuliarao from the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Ang gusto ko na pong itanong kay Dr. Sabingan, Sir, is kung ang Cagayan River ay may connection doon sa dynamics ng ating Babuyan Channel on the deposition of iron or magnetic sand, how long could it replace yung extract na black sand doon sa mga sand dunes or delta na maaaring maging protection ng ating mga coastal communities. Ayan po.
Sir, pwede mong pakiulit yung pinakahuling part na yung
Alam niyo talaga kung meron siyang contribution or connection doon sa yung black sand deposition ng Cagayan Channel. Thirdly, doon sa mga na-extract ngayon through mining or black sand extraction, how long na pwede niyang replenish as a protector of our coastal communities?
Pag sinabi mo Cagayan mo siya,
Yes.
ito po yung malaking bahagi ng dagat. Kasi kami mo sa harapan ng Cagayan River.
What I mean, sir, is yung mga deposition niya doon sa shoreline.
Along the beach.
Along the beach.
Okay. So it's something the northern coast po na. Totoo po na Skyline na nakikita niya sa ilang bahagi ng Cagayan ay nanggaling din sa Cagayan River. Diba? If you look at from Apali to the east, may mga buhayan din po siya. Hindi malayo na ang mga buhayan na yun, eventually, ay nanggaling din sa Cagayan River. So, kung hanggang sa ngayon, if up to now, the source of sand along the eastern part of Egypt, eastern part of Apali, is the present Cagayan River, then you're taking out that sand, yung component of black sand in the sand budget. Mababawasan mo tayo. Okay? But sinasabi ko na meron akong parang qualifications kasi hindi kami, well, I should say me, malamang hindi lahat yung within the stretch of Apari to the east ay galing lahat directly from the present Cagayan River. But eventually, it came from Cagayan River. Pero bakit eventually? Kasi may panahon na yung Cagayan River ay wala naman sa present position niya. But we're talking of geologic time. This is thousands of years. Kaya nagbago ang posisyon ng ilog at doon